Good morning, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to 10 at 10, where I'll be leading us through 10 minutes of gentle yoga movement and breathing to help us start our day. So we're going to begin on our backs in Savasana. So letting your legs come wide on your mat, letting your toes and feet roll out. And as you come down, pressing gently into your arms and the base of your head as you lift your chest, allowing your shoulder blades to come underneath you so you can have this gentle lift through your heart center. And then let your body settle. Give yourself over to gravity holding you as the ground rises up to meet you, beginning to tune into your breath. I want to invite us to bring a hand to our belly and a hand to our chest here, allowing for that physical feedback of our breath. Feeling that gentle roll as you inhale and your belly rises and expands. That softening and release as you exhale. And as you follow your breath here, take a moment to tune into how you feel right now. How you feel physically, any sensations that rise up, or if you have any feelings or emotions you're experiencing at this moment, just taking some time to acknowledge what is here now. I want to invite us today to an intention of listening. That listening might be to our own heartbeat, our breath, listening to our bodies. Maybe that is an external listening to a friend or person in our life. Take a moment here to explore how you connect to that intention of listening. Bringing that intention in your connection to it to the forefront of your mind and body. As you connect that to your breath, letting that intention move in and out of your physical being as your breath moves. And then slowly start to find some movement in your feet. So begin by pointing your toes, almost like you're a ballerina, finding that arch in your foot. And then let your toes flex back towards your knees, giving a gentle opening to your calves. Continue here just exploring that point and flex of your toes. Then you might take this into a roll of your ankles and just noticing how this movement that starts in our feet moves and affects our calves, knees, hips. And then allowing that to come to stillness and taking your hands, interlacing them at the webbing and pressing the palms of your hands up towards the ceiling so that you draw your shoulder blades off the ground and then reach your hands behind you or above you. And then as you press the palms of your hands, also stretch your feet so you're taking this nice big morning stretch, deep inhale. As you exhale, release the grip on your hands, let everything soften. And slowly start to bring your knees into your belly. And as you do, give a little roll here, side to side, massaging your lower back and hips. Continuing to allow your focus to be on that exhale, that breath that releases. And then bring the soles of your feet down to the mat and cross that right ankle over your left thigh. And start to bring your legs towards your belly, interlacing your hands underneath that left leg, giving a gentle pull on that left leg, and then maybe using that right elbow to press your right knee away from your body. Allow that left leg, the shin and ankle to just become heavy. As you use that strength in your arms to pull your legs towards you, giving an opening into that glute, maybe you feel that into your hip. See if you can allow your shoulder blades to soften, your head to be heavy, and your neck to be released. Taking one more inhale here. As you exhale, slowly release that. Bring your legs down. And then go ahead, cross that left ankle over your right thigh, bringing your legs towards your body, interlacing your hands underneath that right leg and giving a gentle pull in towards your body as that left elbow presses your left thigh away, and allowing that right shin and ankle to be released. Let your shoulder blades melt onto the mat. Again, letting your head and neck be heavy and released. Deep inhale here. And exhale slowly releases you. And then begin to roll the length of your spine. Giving that gentle massage, tailbone through neck. And eventually we'll meet in a seat. So go ahead and cross your legs here. Just take your hands to your knees and we're just going to start to roll through some gentle cat-cows in this seated position. Inhale, pressing our chest forward, lifting our gaze. Exhale, rounding our spine and dropping our gaze. And as you roll through these cat-cows, you might begin to find some other organic movement. So that might mean taking some circles here, maybe in one direction, exploring the opposite direction. Maybe that's taking some circles with your shoulders or some rolls of your head. Just moving right now in a way that feels good in your body. Moving for the pleasure of moving. To wake up and tune into how you feel today. Give yourself about 3 more breaths here to explore and to play. And then we'll meet back with a neutral spine, letting our shoulders come over our hips, crown of head reaches, gentle tuck in your chin. And then as you inhale, let your hands reach up and out overhead. Palms touch, gaze lifts. Exhale, hands through the center line of our body. Palms release, inhale and reach up and out. Exhale through that center line one last time, connecting breath and movement. Inhale, expand, reaching up and out. And exhale through center line. We're going to reach our hands up once more. Inhale. This time as you exhale, right hand drops, left fingertips reach, roll that left shoulder. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Stay for that exhale. Inhale, reach it up. As you exhale, take that twist over to your left. Right hand grabs left thigh, left hand plants behind you. Inhale, find that space in your spine. As you exhale, gaze over that left shoulder. Inhale here. Exhale, gaze turns forward, shoulders turn forward. Take it to the other side. Inhale, up and out. Exhale, drop that left hand and reach. Roll your right shoulder, lift your gaze. Inhale and exhale. Inhale brings you center. Exhale, take that twist to the right. Left hand to right thigh. Right hand plants behind you. Inhale brings space to your spine. Exhale sends that gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, let your gaze turn forward, your shoulders turn forward. Let your body settle. Allow your gaze to soften or your eyes to close as again you find that gentle tuck in your chin, that lengthening through the back of your head. And we'll return for 3 breaths. Using those breaths to connect us back to that intention of listening. Inhale. And exhale. Take 2 more breaths here, your own rhythm. Bringing your hands to heart center. Bowing your head towards your hands. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me this morning. I'm Lindsay. I will see you tomorrow morning for 10 at 10. Take care.